Last year, I went from the worst shape in my life to the best shape in my life.
The journey is effortless as long as the plan you're following is sustainable and easy to fit into your lifestyle. This year, I've decided to start a journey all over again and document every step in the way to show you exactly what I'm doing in this process and just how easy it can be to do the same. I just want to pause right here while I've got your attention. So this is actually the third episode so far in this series. I'll link the two below in the description. If you want help on working your calories out, then I'll also link my other video on exactly how to work out your calories and macros in the description too. So you've got all the help you need to start your journey. But anyway, let's fast forward, go into a day in the life and show you just how easy this all can be, and you can do the same and change your life in 6 months. Before we proceed, please subscribe to the channel to learn for free, and please like this video. So to start a day off, get up and get a walk in. Aim is to get 10,000 steps per day. Then over to a quick weigh-in. From January the 1st, I'm currently 5 pounds down. Then it comes to 5 hours after waking up, time to break my fast. This stuff is fucking unreal if you want a real quick easy meal, and it's literally about 400 calories. Now, I just want to elaborate on a point I made there about breaking my fast 5 hours after waking up. See, this method is called intermittent fasting. Not only does intermittent fasting have a ton of health benefits, it also just makes this whole process so much easier. If you're on a cut and you got 2,200 calories for the entire day, and you have 500 in the morning for breakfast, and then you say you have 800 for lunch, you know, it doesn't leave you, it leaves you 700 calories for dinner. And if you get hungry at night, you're breaking it straight away. So to make this process a whole lot easier, we push breakfast back and don't have it at all. We said in a fasted state, only consuming water, black coffee, or anything just to blunt that hunger. So while doing that, it means you don't have to eat little and often on these stupid bodybuilding plans, and also you can have much more fulfilling meals rather than having small portions, leaving you hungry or dissatisfied. It's not an enjoyable journey, you begrudge your diet. You skip breakfast altogether. When you eat breakfast, all you're doing is giving your body fuel to burn. When your body has no fuel, you've been fasted all night, say for 8 hours sleep, and you've got another 5 hours of activity, being up, going to work, whatever you do in your day-to-day, your body has no choice but to use your natural storage, your natural reserves, because you're not fueling it. So it puts you in a perfect fat burning state. So here's the macros and time to check the physique and give it a quick comparison to when I very first started 2 weeks ago. So look, day 15 and I am 5 pounds down. It's not bad going. I also just want to highlight, this hasn't been heavy cardio training. This hasn't been extreme crash diets or anything of the sort. My concept is a steady calorie deficit of around 500 calories per day. If you want help working out your calories, please watch my other video. I'll link it in the bio to exactly how to work out your calories. So I'll break down absolutely everything with calories and macros. And then it's training 3 times per week with a fully replenished central nervous system. If you go to the gym too much and killing yourself 6 times a week, one, nobody's got time for that. But secondly, you're just going to go in absolutely fatigued and knackered. Your muscles aren't going to be fully recovered, and you're not going to get the biggest potential you possibly can out of your lifts. Why are you asking? What do you want to get for dinner? Why are you asking how many calories I have?
I'm just asking.
Why?
Just asking.
What shit are you going to try and make me eat?
I'm just asking.
What's it going to be?
I'm just asking.
I'm not eating that. Let's get off this. Let's close this page. No more. So look, getting in the best shape of your life can be lazy days. It can be watching Netflix. It can be chilling out. All you got to do is stick to some key principles that are non-negotiable every single day, and just stick to them. Make it nice and sustainable to your lifestyle. And in 6 months' time, I promise you, you will thank yourself so much. The main thing I want to achieve from this is to just inspire one of you to give it 6 months and absolutely change your life around. While I've got your attention, please also subscribe to the channel if you do want to learn more completely free information, and hopefully I can help to motivate you to get in the gym and change your life around. I'd also massively appreciate a like on this video if you can right now. Time to move on to dinner time. I'll show you exactly what I'm going to have, and then I'm probably going to smash either some Nutella bagels or, some sort of chocolate before bed, because you don't have to eat things you don't want, and you can still enjoy what you want as long as you fit it in a calorie and macro level. beautiful little roast dinner, and 560 calories left for snacks. The beauty of intermittent fasting is you can now enjoy whatever you want for the rest of your calories. Yes, there are also tits on the bed. Protein was a little low, so I decided to get 22 gram protein shake in and then finish the day off with the best biscuits literally ever made. If you have not tried these, go to the shop right now. Anyways, macros for the day, and I have just under my calorie allowance, slightly low on the protein by about 5 grams, but you know, we'll live. And that's it, a day in the life of cutting, and this really can get you in the best shape of your life. It's literally that easy.